everyone. Today we will be checking with one new topic, that is time, speed and distance. So first we will understand what is the basics of this topic, then we will solve some of the questions in our next videos. So first let's see what is time. What do we mean by time? Time is, like in time we will have hours, minutes and seconds. So can we tell that combination of hours, minutes and seconds. Okay, next is speed. So what is speed? Like moving of an object. So the rate of flow of any object. Next, distance. So what is distance? The length or the gap between two places or points, the gap between two points. Okay, so now it's clear like what is time, what is speed and what is distance. You will be getting the questions based on this time, speed and distance, like collection of everything, combination of everything. Now let's check what will be the unit. So what do we mean by unit? Like if you are going to buy any vegetable. So how will buy vegetables? Obviously in kgs. So the unit for that buying vegetables is kg. So that unit only we are going to check. For time it will be what? We can calculate time in hours, minutes and seconds. Again for speed it will be meter per second or else kilometer per hour. It means what? In 1 second we are able to travel how many meters, or in 1 hour we are able to travel how many kilometers. Again the unit of distance will be how much? Kilometer or else meter. Okay. So these are the units of time, speed and distance. Next, how to calculate the time. So let's see like formula. First, I'll tell you the formula for speed. See, speed, you can get the formula from the unit itself. What is the unit? Meter per second. So meter is whose unit? Distance. So write distance at the top. So it's distance divided by seconds is whose unit? Time. So thus we have got the formula speed is equal to distance by time. If you are able to derive this formula very easily, you can get what? Time also. Just replace the positions. So time is equal to distance by speed. Next, if we want to find the formula for distance, then distance is equal to speed into time. Thus, this is the formula for time, speed and distance. Though we can solve the questions without formula also, but you have to know the formulas, how to calculate time, how to calculate speed, how to calculate distance. Next, imagine that I am giving you something like, I am giving you distance as something 10 kilometer and time as 5 seconds and asking you what will be the speed. So how we can find the speed? Speed is equal to distance by time. So it will be what? 10 kilometer by 5 seconds. So after cancelling you will be getting what? 2 kilometer per second. If you think that this will be your answer, you are wrong here, because this will be our wrong answer. Because we want the speed unit to be in what? Either meter per second or else kilometer per hour. But here we have got in what? Kilometer per second, which is not the unit of speed. So in these cases, what you have to do? We have to do the conversions. So let's see what are the different conversions. After conversion, when you solve this, it will be like correct answer. So first see, let's see conversion for time itself. So what are the things which we have to do here? We will have what? First convert minutes to hours. Okay, so if we need to convert minutes to hours, what we have to do? So 1 minute is having like how many hours? Something divided by 60. So whatever the question it is, divide by 60. if we need to convert hours to minutes, so 1 hour is having how many minutes? 60 minutes. So hours into 60. Again, if you want to convert hours to seconds, so 1 hour is having how many seconds? 3600 seconds. So hours into 3600. If you want to convert seconds to hours, now hours divided by 3600. Again, if you need to convert minutes to seconds, so 1 minute is having how many seconds? 60 seconds. So minutes divided by 60. Okay, if we need to convert seconds to minutes, then just the reverse of that. Seconds, sorry, this will be like minutes into 60. This is seconds by 60. Okay, apart from this, we have also the conversion for speed. So, in speed, what are the things? Kilometer per hour. We need to convert this to meter per second. So, what we have to do here? Kilometer per hour, we have to multiply with 5 by 18. If you need to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. So, here what we have to do? Meter per second into 18 by 5. How we have got that 5 by 18? Let's see. See, 1 kilometer is having how many minutes? Sorry, how many meters? 1000 meters. So, 1 hour is having how many seconds? 3600 seconds. When we cancel that, 2 5s are 10, 2 18 times. So, we have got 5 by 18. That's the reason we are multiplying with 5 by 18. Again, if we need to do the conversion for distance, then kilometer I have to convert to meter. So, 1 kilometer is having how many meters? 1000 meters. So, multiply this kilometer with 1000. I'll write it at the bottom. Kilometer multiply with 1000. If we need to convert meter to kilometer, now what we have to do? Meter divided by 1000. So, these are some of the conversions. Now, in this question, just see, if we need to convert this 10 kilometer to meter, then what we have to do? This will become 10 into 1000 divided by 2. Now you can do the cancellations 5. So answer will be what? 5000. And 5000 what? Meter per second. Because units are very much important in the topic time, speed and distance. So this is the basics of time, speed and distance. You have to know the formula as well as the conversions. Wherever the conversions is required, you have to use that and solve the questions based on that. So in our next upcoming videos, we will be checking the questions based on time, speed and distance. So I hope you are liking this video. If you like this trick, please share to your friends and do subscribe our videos. Please watch or follow our channel in a consistent way so that you will not miss any video.